Good day, beauty queens. So, oh my god. Alright, this is so spur of the moment, last minute. I literally decided to film this right now in the living room by the balcony, like in front so I could get good lighting. Y'all, okay. So as you can tell by the title, this is a sunglass spot haul. So I just opened the box and I was gonna do this for you all if I liked the glasses, but I'm gonna be real, like I haven't even seen the glasses yet, like in person. I ordered them, obviously I know what styles I ordered, but I have not seen them because the packaging alone, like this is the box. I opened it. I won't show the back. It's a white box, and it has my address on it. I won't show it, but look, like, oh my god, look at the packaging. This is just the inside. So okay, let's get going. So you open the inside, it has like these pink, I mean, I know this is kind of like not that important, but the fact that they're pink is so cute. Like the little styrofoam things that they package into things to help them not to break, especially when it's like fragile things. But the fact that it's pink and the whole theme is like a rainbow like theme, like it's so cute. Okay, let's get past that. So I'm gonna take these out. This is a true first impressions unboxing. Y'all, I have no idea like what these look like, but I can tell it's gonna be bomb just by this. So I'm taking these out. As you can see, oh my god, there's like little baggies for each glass. How cute. Oh my god, the little styrofoam things are sticking to my hands. I'm actually cooking the same time I'm doing all of this, but I just had to do this because this is just too cute. Okay, so I gotta move on it because I have something that I ordered that'll be at the door for food in a minute, so I gotta kind of hurry. So I'm not really trying to hurry through this, but I am. Oh my god, guys, look at the case. Look at the little baggies that you get to store the glasses in. So this one is rainbow. I'm gonna put that to the side. This one is pink. It's all pink. They all say sunglass spot. This is actually one of the glasses. These are like octagon aviators. Lord, y'all, I almost forgot my shape for a minute. Okay, this is another one. This is black, and this is black. It would have been nice if these had sunglass spot on them as well, but I mean, it's not that crazy big of a deal. Oh my god, guys, look. So I got these all black flat top Monica glasses. They're kind of like on the style of that. It's a sunglass website that used to have them. Retro City Sunglasses used to have these. So I got these. How cute is that? And then I got the two bumblebee, like these are so trending right now. I got them in white and I got them in black, and they just have all black everything, and then the white ones have gradient black lens with all white with the gold emblem of the bees. How cute. Oh my god, I'm gonna put this below for you guys. Go check their site out. These glasses were only $5.99 to $9.99 a piece. How bomb is that? And the shipping was $5 or $5.99 flat fee. So no matter what you order, I believe the shipping is always $5.99. So go check this site out, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick little sunglass spot haul. Follow them on their social medias too. I'm assuming it's all sunglass spot wherever you go, because that's what they have up here. And thank you guys so much for watching this. Make sure you like it and share. I mean, how cute. This is like was the best part of my day today. Make sure you follow me on my social links, like, share this video. Make sure you check out my description box for all my previous videos, reviews, hauls, whatever, my discount codes for all of the other companies that I have, that I work with. Thank you guys so much for watching, and check me out, and I will check you guys out in my next